Alright guys, welcome back. So we are actually walking to pick up a new car. So yeah.
Vasily. All right, he is buying this 1997 Mazda Miata. It is in very good shape as far as mechanically. Tires need to be replaced. They are a little slick. The bushings and the tie rod ends probably need to be replaced on both sides. A front end alignment needs to be done so that it will no longer have a shimmy in it. Has a wear out spot here. It does in every car that you have that's for the Miata. The mileage is 190, 346 as it sits right now. Got a real nice stereo in it. That works great. It's been really nice to listen to nice music.
How's the car mechanically? You said it
Does have a lifter that likes to stick. You might want to try and see if there's some fluid that you can get from like Walmart or something, and when you're running the car you just pour it in there and hopefully that will tend to loosen up that lifter and it won't be a problem. One other thing is I would suggest replacing the shocks. It was something that's just something that's got to be done. It needed to be done when I bought it, and it's just been ran around town. All right.
sounds good.
Good to go?
Yeah.
Well, I would shake hands with you.
Yeah.
We'll do the elbow thing.
Thanks again,
right.
Frank. Yeah.
Take care.
So guys, we now own a 1997 MX-5 Miata. I gotta give y'all the backstory of how I got this Miata for so cheap and why I bought a Miata. So the day before I was driving through my neighborhood and I seen my neighbor had this Miata posted for sale. So in my head I was like, oh, that's just another overpriced Miata. He's probably wanting $3,000 for it. So I passed up on it. After coming back from the store, I decided just to check it out, and I was shocked to see that the price was $1,000. So I called up the guy and he gave me a little tour. Now there was another guy interested. So Frank was super cool, nice. He told me the story of the car. So I just gave him that $1,000 he was asking for. Did not want to scare him away by putting a camera in his face or anything like that. He was super open with me. He told me everything that was wrong with this car. This car came with aftermarket wheels. It has a strut bar, a harness bar, and it has a aftermarket air intake. So that's already about $1,000 of aftermarket parts. But this thing will need new tires, coilovers, bushing, so that's a minimum of $800 I need to put into this car. I also needed a new daily because my 99 Mercury Cougar is kind of starting to fall apart and it's not going to be too reliable, but we'll see on that. So yeah guys, super happy with this Miata. Alright guys, we are in. First thing I noticed is the insanely quick throttle response, really nice and compact feel. Woo! That sounds good, man. Woo! Ooh, wow. That's pretty nice. Man, but yeah, the front is super twitchy because of the bushings or the tie rods. That is fun. Wow, I love it, man. Woo! Woo-hoo-hoo. So I went ahead and pulled off the throttle tubes, cleaned them out, inspected them, everything seems good. Now my main concern was this air filter. As you can see, he said it needed to be replaced and it's pretty much crumbling. Check that out. Should just be a direct fit.
That doesn't look too bad. Looks like it's been changed.
So guys, as you can see, we're already starting to mod this thing. We got some drilled and slotted rotors that need to be installed, some new pads, and we'll also be painting the calipers yellow. Now this isn't a performance thing, this is just for looks, and the pads do need to be replaced.
That's right.
We got this caliper painted. I think once we put the wheel on there, the new wheels that we got coming, it's gonna look sick. Stay tuned.
That's right. That's right.
Alright guys, the front is done. We just actually replaced these tie rod ends, and as you can see, they were shot and I had to cut them out. Unfortunately, I ran out of paint and wasn't able to finish the back ones, but here we are getting the car aligned, and man was it bad. Just go ahead and pop the top. So guys, I'm gonna give y'all a little pull, and this is gonna be the first drive with the new tie rods. I do not want to do a straight pipe just because I feel like it would sound like a lawnmower. Let's see, any cops? Woo! America! See, I'm used to very direct steering like on go-karts. All right, let's hope we didn't get ourselves into any trouble. So we got Nate over here with the 1.6 with the LSD. LSD, right? No, hold up, park it. Why? I want to try to do some. It's crazy. So fun. Luckily the whole town is closed, so guys, the car has been great. I've probably already drove it like 200, 300 miles and I love it, but there's a few things that I do not like about it. The first thing I don't like about it is the steering. It's super sloppy. Definitely new wheels, new tires. These are so 2007. So guys, I'm super happy with the car. If you want to see more Miata content, more car content, drifting, leave a like down below. This is a little bit different of a video than usual. Definitely want to do something about that open diff. It just sucks. Definitely coilovers, new bushings. So yeah, that's gonna be on the list for next video. So guys, stay tuned for that. Hope y'all enjoyed that montage. But guys, I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned and peace.